shut the fuck up.
最後中意你㗎，你又知唔知啊
On board EDM, ED.
Start with concealer. I'm just going to use hand today. I'm a little bit in a rush, so I need to go and do my car practice. Driving license. All come back again. Today I will talk less as downstairs going through refurb again, so the noise is unbearable. So I will talk less, but you will get what I'm doing. Foundation, going to use Glance today. I haven't used this one for a while. This one is really good. That's set with powder. For the under eye area, I'm going to use the Timage, this dual highlighting cream and the matte highlight powder. I'm going to use the matte highlight powder to set the under eye area, as my eye bag recently is, growing a bit. Then for the center of the face, I'm going to use the FLORASIS Peach Blossom Loosing Powder, but in color 04, which is in a peach color. Peach pink color. It is similar like the purple, the new Jade Loosing Powder. That one has 0, I think 05, it could be, in light lavender color, that one. This one is in a slightly different, effect. That one in purple lavender color, it is more for balancing the yellow undertone, so more suitable for us, like Asian, have a little bit yellow undertoned skin. But the peach color would suit slightly more skin tone. Even you are pale skin tone, you're light skin tone, you also can use this. Same as the lavender color. When you set on the face, you don't actually feel it's like peach color showing unless you layer so many times. You only see a hint of freshness. I'll show you. So I only set this side, so when you see, you don't actually see a color actually showing, but when you look into the details, when you really compare this two, here's a look, especially when tilted. You just feel like some peach colored shadow showing on your face. So this color is also very suitable for lighter yellow skin tone. If you like natural makeup, you don't want to use too much makeup, want to be fresh, looking fresh, you can use this one with just a hinted color. When you apply on the face, you see it's pretty much disappeared. But okay, can you see this side? When tilted, you're not sure whether there is a blush or not. That's what we want. It just make you look fresh and energetic. As today I'm in a rush, so I'm just going to use this powder for the rest of the face. I was going to change to another one, but I haven't got enough time. Let me see. Ooh, another half an hour max. But today's makeup is actually very easy to achieve, so should be totally fine. For the brow today, I wanted a little bit thick, not too thin, just to support the eye look later. Can you see this side is bulkier than this side? Eye look today, simple, straightforward, only there's 4 colors. Eye look is very simple. Start from the lightest color, apply to the entire eyelid. And guys, if you haven't tried full matte eye look, I highly recommend you to try it. You may find a different you. Same lighter color for the under eye. Then use this like a contour color. Dip from out corner. Just do the circle motion like this. And then sweep to the front. And then again just sweep towards the end of the eyebrow. Same color for the under eye. Again, focus at the out corner. Use the same color to contour the nose. Then dip into this light coral color. Then apply from inner corner towards middle of the eyeball. For the under eye, but very close to the lash lines. Then dip back to the lightest color. Then just to clean up the nose contour with the color just above your double eyelid. Just clean the bit. Just clean the area in between. This small cleaning can make your eye look looks even high classic attention to details. That's it. Last step, dip into the darkest color. Define the out corner. Pat the color at the out corner. Then you just do zigzag. Get it very close to your lash line. Follow your lash line. And then move up a little bit. Move forward a little bit. Move backwards a little bit. Do the circle motion. Then that's very even. Blend it out, see? Then you open your eyes to see where you need to probably adjust a little bit. Same color for the under eye, out corner only. Then use a small brush, dip into the lightest color just to highlight the fake eye bag. When you squeeze, you see the highest point. Then just get the color on there. That's it. Then our eye look is done. Let's do the eyeliner. I gotta go, but I hope you like today's look. Myself, very much enjoying it. I didn't use any highlighter whatsoever. There is no glitter on my face at all. When you look into the details, it's just so elegant, high class, natural, daily wearable, and attention to details. If you like today's video, do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one.